Hello, my name is Alex. Thank you for clicking on my channel. And today I will be showing you how to check your oil in your motor. For starters, you got your engine dipstick right here, engine oil. Usually it's yellow. And pull it out here. And you can see those two dots you see there. Your oil needs to be in between those two dots. If it's right at that lower dot, you will need to add approximately 1 quart of oil. If it's in between those two dots, you will need to add about half a quart of oil. And always make sure your car is parked at a level, in a level position. Otherwise you won't get a correct reading. Mine looks okay. Go ahead and dip it in there. You might have to check it twice just to make sure. Dip it in there, make sure it's all the way in there. Bring it back out. You wipe it with the rag there. Clean it up. Check it twice. As you can see, my oil is right where it should be. And there'll be indicators on your dipstick that'll show you. And if you do need to fill your oil, you always look for your cap should be, your engine oil cap should be obvious somewhere in your engine. Mine's right here. Open it up. Grab your little funnel. Grab your oil. And pour in what you need to pour in. And remember, look for the yellow one. A lot of newer cars don't even have dipsticks, so you can't check them, but this one does. Thank you for watching.